We're going to download a Google Slide as PDF on our desktop. All right, some of you maybe wonder what I'm talking about. It simply means that you have a Google Slide, right, and you want to download it as a PDF. That's exactly what I meant. So I'm going to take you through this step by step. All right, so very important that we go through this together. All right, so the first thing you wanted to do is to bring up the internet browser. All right, to bring up the internet browser. First, you have to sign in, but as you can see right here, you see my photo, me that actually signed in already. So come right here, look at 9 dots, click on it. I'm going to scroll down, and this is Google Slide. So we're going to click on the Google Slide right here. So while we click on the Google Slide, now we're going to select a presentation that we really want. All right, let me scroll up. We're going to look. All right, so this is the presentation I want. So I'm going to click on it. So while I click on it, definitely this is how it opens. As you can see, right here the logo, so that is Google Slide. And if you notice here on the left, here, these are the different slides. All right, so I want to download it into PDF. The first thing that you wanted to do is to come right here, that here is a file. Right here, and click on the word file. When you click on the word file, you see share. Click on the file, you see share, you see new, you see import, you see make a copy, you see email, you see download, version, rename, and all that. But what you want to focus on is right here, download. Notice when you come across it, shows you can download in Microsoft. Alright, it shows you can download in PDF, JPEG, and all of that. But what you want to focus on is PDF, which is this. So you're gonna click on that. Notice immediately right here, it shows that it actually downloaded in PDF. Alright, notice. Very important. If I want to open it, I can just click on it just like that. And there you go. Alright, so there we have our PDF document. Alright, nice and clear, just like that. So this is how simple and easy. And so this particular video have helped to solve a problem. Just remember to share it. Consider to subscribe to this channel so that you can get the next video that's coming out soon. So thanks for watching.